These are some of the drawings I created between 2017 and 2020, and I wanted to share them with you. Drawing has always been a passion of mine, and creating art is something I truly enjoy. When I started this channel, I planned to draw traditionally on paper. Later, I began working digitally with Sketchbook Pro, and I discovered that it gives me a very natural drawing experience while offering the flexibility of digital tools. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my work. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future drawing and artwork videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.